What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you with another cryptocurrency stream. And today, guys, I wanted to talk about several different coins, but the first one that we will go over will be Electroneum, guys. I want to show you guys a new pattern, which is going to have a breakout really soon. Get your trades ready to make some excellent profits on your favorite exchange. This one's coming soon, guys. Definitely don't want to miss this. And guys, the Bitcoin price is basically teetering trend right now. I want to show you the pattern that I found that you guys could place for some excellent profit on your favorite exchange. And I had a priority member actually ask for a video on XRP, so here you go, buddy. We're going to go over the XRP price today. And guys, if you want to get coin analysis on specific coins, you must become a member. And before we get started today, guys, I just wanted to elaborate on the student program. My gosh, it's just an incredible place to be, guys. If you're not making the gains you deserve or that you feel like you should be getting, like, to be honest, just within the last year, I've made over $1 million bucks, guys. Are you not making money like that? Then you deserve to join this program. All right, I know so many of you working hard jobs, 9 to 5, double jobs. This is how you do it. The world prior to this is not meant for you guys to get ahead working really hard like that. It doesn't work. That being said, when you get to the program, guys, you're just going to be switching work. But why wouldn't you want to do something that's more profitable for you, brings home more money for your families, gives you more stability? Guys, that's what we're doing. We're helping people discover financial freedom through trade. And to be honest, it goes much further than technical analysis at this point. And just for transparency, guys, if you're looking to just understand how the program works a little bit, appointments are booked 1 week apart, so that way you can do homework in between, study the technicals, come back to me with the stuff that I designate you to do. And before you know it, guys, trading becomes something that is just subconscious within you. And that's the whole point of this program. I always joke that it's like a big Miyagi kind of thing where we're doing the wax on and off, and then before you know it, you're just doing it. But guys, that's really the truth. All you're really doing is replicating something that I've done over many years to a place of perfection. And guys, that's why we have a 100% success rate among the group. We've never had anyone lose money, to my knowledge. If they have, they've never said anything to me. And to be honest, guys, I don't think we have yet. So as long as I'm having a 100% success rate, I'm going to be really pushing this for you guys to join. And guys, we're about to be doing a giveaway. We only have a few spots left for the coming month. I know several of you are trying to sign up right now. Just if you have any trouble, reach out to us at bitcoindestar@gmail.com. My buddy Mitch or I will be happy to help you onboard and get started. And guys, it's that easy. Honest to God, the hardest part in this whole program is reaching out and starting. After that, it's just exciting and a lot of fun so far. So guys, if you want to discover financial freedom, this is how you do it. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. And guys, I am going to dive right into the price action. Okay, guys, I wanted to start with the Electroneum price action right here. So we definitely had a nice move. So guys, remember, in my last Electroneum video, I was talking about a massive move coming into fruition here, and we had a big symmetrical triangle, guys, and then a nice break out of it, guys, and some very clear indication plays right in here, guys. There's so many of them, okay? If you don't know your indication plays, that's something you'll definitely learn in the student program. That makes it a reality for you, okay? That breakout happened very nicely. Didn't quite hit the measurement, ran into a little bit of resistance up here, and we're still forming it, guys. But let me show you the pattern that I found in the immediate on the medium-sized patterns, which could yield a good breakout for you guys, okay? So definitely a very clear as day ascending triangle. I mean, look at this, guys. This has got clear points of resistance, okay, except for just a couple, but you get the idea. We are working up, putting in higher low after higher low here, okay? So if we do that again, keep doing it, guys, we're going to get a breakout probably right around here. These do have a 70% chance to break up, but play your indications into your patterns and patterns within patterns. For instance, there's a lot of wedges going on here. There's lots of wedges, okay, guys? Play those smaller patterns and then play your indications into the medium-sized pattern to make this trade a reality for yourself, guys. For instance, as it nears the break point, we build up. The volume dips, and it's getting ready for a move. If it doesn't break out right here, it will break out right here, okay? Anticipate these movements. As it starts to show indication play in favor of that direction in combination with volume, take that trade. But in simplicity, guys, we break support, you go short. We break resistance, you go long, guys. Make some excellent profits on your favorite exchange. That's exactly what I'm looking at for Electroneum. And guys, just let me pull up the EMAs real quick just to show you something in simplicity. So we are above all of the major resistances, but we go down to the 1 hour as well. We're still above everything but the 20 and the 7. Okay, we're still getting a little movement there, but we are above the 55. We are above the 100, and we are above the 200, guys. That's some extremely bullish sentiment. Guys, if we keep moving here, we could be easily back up at 2 cents before you know it. Let's see how this breakout plays out, but let me give you the target projection here. Okay, so say like we break out to the upside, 2 cents, easy guys, break down, right back at resistances where we were before the breakout. Okay, so this move will be coming, guys. Make sure to get ready to take this trade and make it a reality for yourself. Let's jump right over to Bitcoin. Okay, now guys, let me just zoom in here and show you what we're working with. Okay, let me show you what we're working with here, guys, and we're just going to talk bigger patterns here. Obviously, we could go back here, and you guys can see just how diced up we can do these patterns and patterns. And guys, that's how you do leverage if you're not familiar yet, and if you're not ready for leverage, that's something that does come with time. Please be very patient. You will get there, okay? Remember, solidifying a strong base is absolutely necessary to making trade a reality for yourself, okay? You have to have an understanding of even basic trend, resistances and supports, basic pattern analysis, and then obviously indication plays in the immediate, okay? And then there's advanced technical analysis that you get to later in your program, for instance, which helps make leverage happen, okay? But let's just talk about the bigger patterns and medium-sized patterns here. Okay, so we definitely have another symmetrical triangle here, okay? Now this one's a little dirty, okay? So for instance, we don't have as many points of reference as we would like. We only have 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, okay? So the resistance up here is a little shaky, but the support is a little bit more solidified. Now, you could obviously do something like this, and for instance, you see a wedge right here as well, just a broadening wedge right there, okay? But I don't really like that as much. I think this is gonna play out a little bit more accurately here. And then guys, we do have a lot of patterns within patterns here. Remember, lots of wedge play, lots of little W's, okay? There's another one, rejected. You guys get the idea. We could be forming that right now, getting a bounce off the support, hopefully getting a little bit of rebound. But notice we are on the 1 hour, and we're holding above the 200, guys. But just in simplicity, we break that 200, we will probably cascade down to this minimal support right here. Okay, that's exactly what I'm anticipating. And then same theories when you're talking measurements. Okay, you measure from the back of the triangle, okay, to the point of breakout. Let's just say we're gonna have a low in volume, so it'll probably either go this way or break like right here. Okay, guys, you guys see those target projections. So if we break out to the downside around 41.7, break out to the top side around 51, guys, we'll probably break back above 50,000. Probably happen at like we'll probably hit it over here or over here. Okay, if I had to guess something, you know, like that or like that, you guys get the idea. Okay, I don't imagine that we're just going to go sideways too much longer. As we build up, the volume's kind of teetering back and forth, but we're above moving average. That means there's a battle going on, and eventually we're going to get a break. Okay, so I'm anticipating this happening pretty soon. So just get your bags ready here. This will be a sizable one. And guys, remember like what we talked about with the logarithmic zones. You know, that's why we accumulated so much within the last couple months. I've even put up videos saying, you know, buy at least $1,000 of Bitcoin. Congratulations to those who did, because you are sitting in good profit already. All right, guys, and we had a member-specific request video. For those who are not familiar, if you want to get a specific coin request video, you must become a member. And then you can ask for whatever coin you want research on, or you want me to do the technicals on. All that's subject to change, guys. Let's be real. My membership's just starting, so I'm trying to figure it all out and do what's best here for you guys. But if you want to get a request, you get priority when you become a member on your talk for sure. Okay, so that's something we are doing now. Definitely take part of that, guys. Okay, but let's talk about XRP. Let me find it here. Okay, so my gosh, guys, I mean, look at this movement here over the last month. I mean, this is incredible. Say like you got even in at the beginning of August. Massive, massive run up of around 80% to the current price action, 63. That is really sizable movement. Now, guys, XRP has had a lot of interesting movements over the last few years, you know, up to $3 and change, down to under $1, back above $1 now. It's been giving people a very wild roller coaster for sure, but it has remained in the top 50 of coins this whole time. Okay, guys, this does have some potential. That being said, I think this is, you know, a sleeper coin. Okay, but it is getting a lot of bullish sentiment right now. Just in simplicity, we have broken all of the major resistances up until this moment. Okay, guys, so we are getting a little bit of chop right now. Okay, for instance, I don't know if you guys noticed on my Twitter, but I switched my laser eyes all around to blue, guys. There's a reason for that. We're running into a lot of resistance now. We actually have to get a little bit more bullish sentiment in combination with the volume to actually punch through these resistances board wide, not just Bitcoin, not just XRP, not just AMP, Uni, Store, any coin, it doesn't matter. Okay, so we've got to get a flipping of these major resistances in combination with volume. Guys, let's just go down and see if we see anything on the smaller time frames. Let's go down to the 15-minute. All right, and this is what I think we would be working with right now. Okay, let's make this nice and yellow. Just a broadening wedge right here, okay? So as we teeter around here, you can think pattern plays. For instance, as we started the first pattern, you could think there, you could think there, you could think there. And guys, you can play those extremes, but then when you're looking to play indication plays, look for the crossings of the 7 through the 20, look for the stoch, look for the MACD is the late confirmation indicator, and then obviously you could play Bollinger Bands, watch for barbell theory. Just some excellent opportunities to make gains here, guys. But just watch the major resistances, watch the major supports, and if we break either of them, play that accordingly, guys, okay? And then ride from target projection. You know, you guys know how to measure that. Easy stuff. XRP could have some really good pump coming. Understand, guys, as we move through top logarithmic zone eventually, okay, we're basically working in the yellow one right now. Once we get out of yellow and start to move towards red, there's not a doubt in my mind we will have coin wide booming. Okay, so XRP will be part of that, being in the top 50 for sure. Okay, it's much higher than the top 50, guys, let's be real. So this coin could really have some hype, guys. When to buy this coin would be at major supports. Okay, guys, so basically if we were to actually get all the way back down to here, that would be a buy. If we were to get back down to here, that would be a buy. And I wouldn't really buy much lower than that, because that would be a cascading down, and you're waiting for bottom logarithmic zone or green zone, guys, quite simply. Okay, and that's exactly how I'd be playing XRP. And guys, if we ever get away from the trend too far, for instance, let me show you what the trend that we're working with in the immediate. Okay, so we are way above it right now. We've definitely formed a bump trend, that's for sure. So guys, for instance, some people did take profits right here, okay? And what I would suggest you do is, if say like you got in way down here, okay, and we're actually getting to right here, and you know, we're getting a lot of bearish sentiment. For instance, look at this volume here, and we're gonna break it, you know, take more profit right there. It'll probably ride down to right here, okay? Especially if we don't get the flipping on the EMAs back. For instance, we don't hold the 200 right here, okay? So watch for that when you're thinking XRP right now. That's exactly how I'd be playing my bags. Maximize your profit potential, make these gains a reality for yourself, guys. Just some epic times. And guys, that's all the time I have for today. These are freaking biblical times in cryptocurrency. My gosh, it's just incredible. Like, I love waking up to even just good profit every single day, whether it's just hodl positions or, you know, faster positions that we're using. And then it's really amazing just coming to Zion and seeing everyone doing so well. It's really just life-changing for me to see you guys all make these gains for yourself. I love seeing this happiness. I really thrive on it. And oh man, geez, I feel like in these times, for instance, everybody made money when the market was going up to 64, guys. Let's be real. And if you didn't, you're probably like, oh damn, I wish I even just got involved. But the rest of us made money on the way down in the sideways mini accumulation phase. And guys, now our bags are really packed. There's probably not one student among the group that didn't buy these dips. They just paid for their whole program. It's that easy. I can't stress it enough, guys. I've had people come from trade school spending hand over fist money, not able to replicate there, coming to me and doing it. You can't ask for any more, guys. It's just that good. It really is something you have to experience to understand. And guys, look at all these videos I've done proving these facts, seeing all these gains. I mean, guys, you could literally just start anywhere and watch these videos and notice all these good calls. I've never been on so much freaking good sentiment right now, and good, like, I'm on fire, and I know it. And it feels so good. And when people can just ride my coattails and make excellent gains that is life-changing for them, you know, seeing them light up, that's what this is all about. And I'll be transparent, guys, when I first made my first $1 million, it was like an amazing feeling. I never thought I'd be there. And then after making money, it was seeing you guys make life-changing wealth that has been extremely beneficial for just me and everyone involved. It's such a good thing we have going here, guys. You've got to check it out for yourself. So if you want to get signed up, guys, just go right over the website, and basically you can just get your payment started and you can get booked in straight away. Now, guys, we do only have a few spots left for the next month or so. So if you're thinking about pulling the trigger, now is the time. Pull the trigger. Get involved, okay? For transparency even further, 4 or 5 months from now, the price will go up again, okay? So please understand, get started, stay on schedule. It locks in your price, okay? We do have, rules and stuff, but in general, if you follow your course, guys, we are basically guaranteeing financial freedom right now. Who else is doing that? I go through YouTube, I see so much clickbait. It's horrible. This is really happening. This is really happening for people, guys. So if you want to make these gains, don't waste any more time, guys. I know so many of you with 2 jobs. God, you're going to be doing that for years, Don't let that happen to yourself, guys. Learn the knowledge to discover the freedom you deserve. And guys, that's really all the time I have for today. If you need any extra help and want to get started, reach out to bitcoindestar@gmail.com. My buddy Mitch will be happy to send you an onboarding email, or you can head right over to the website and get signed up, guys. Discover financial freedom. And guys, just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.